Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view maps in 3D in Google Maps. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to explore a city's skyline, understand terrain better, or simply get a more immersive view of a location before visiting it. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This will take you directly to the Google Maps homepage where you can start exploring any location worldwide. Once you're on Google Maps, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Click on it and type in a location that supports 3D mode. Not all areas have this feature available, so it's best to search for major cities or well-mapped regions. For this tutorial, let's use New York as our example. Go ahead and type New York into the search bar and hit enter. After the map loads and centers on your chosen location, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice an option labeled Layers. Click on it. The Layers menu is where Google Maps allows you to customize what information appears on your map, from traffic conditions to terrain features. When the Layers menu opens up, you'll see several options displayed. Look for and click on More. This expands the menu to reveal additional viewing options that aren't immediately visible in the default layer selections. From the expanded menu, select Satellite. This switches your map view from the standard illustrated map to actual satellite imagery of the area. This step is essential because 3D View works specifically with satellite imagery to create that dimensional effect you're looking for. Now, you should see an option called Globe View with a checkbox next to it. Make sure to check this box. Enabling Globe View allows the map to display Earth as a globe rather than a flat projection, which enhances the 3D experience and makes navigation more realistic. Finally, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll spot a button labeled 3D. Click on it. This activates the three-dimensional view of your selected location. You'll immediately notice buildings rise up, terrain becomes more pronounced, and the entire map takes on a much more lifelike appearance. And that's it. You've successfully enabled 3D View in Google Maps and can now explore locations with depth and dimension. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.